This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Jill Crinion. Price reduced and offering $2,000 in buyer's closing costs. One of a kind and completely customized. Inviting foyer with accent wall opens to a beautiful open floor plan featuring custom built-in shelving with TV Nook in the very spacious living room. Dining and kitchen area are great for holidays and family gatherings. Master bedroom situated separate from others allows space for large furniture and walk-in closet. Master bath is the big feature in this home. Jacuzzi tub, walk-in shower and still ample space for the under sink and vanity area. Guest bedrooms provide great space for your family or guests to feel at home. This home is perfectly situated on 18.46 ± acres and is a MUSTC.